Hey, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be opening 2 boxes of football cards that I found at BJ's. They actually had a lot of them in stock, which was kind of a surprise because it's really hard to find anything right now in sports memorabilia. So today I have a 2020 Absolute Football box of cards here. It says find 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box on average. So that's not guaranteed that you're going to find them, but what we want to do is we want to actually look for the ultra rare Kaboom insert. That would be a nice find. Also we have a box of 2020 Dunross football cards, 1 memorabilia card or magnet card, and of course that says the same thing, per box on average, so it's not guaranteed. It was nice to actually find these. Like I said, I haven't been finding any football or baseball cards anywhere for a long time now because of everything going on. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Dunross cards first, and then I'll do the 2020 Absolute football cards after that. Now, of course, I got 4 boxes, but I'm just going to do 2 on this video and then do the other 2 on the next video. So. Alright, go ahead and open these. So, empty box. So, and then here's all our packs. So here's our first pack. Let's go ahead and open these, see who we get, see if it's anyone good. First one is Marquise Brown, Kyle Murray. Let me turn these the right side up. Dante Hightower. No, I'm sorry, Westbrook. Oh, we got a special card here. Marlon Mack. Let's see. Threads. Okay. It's not a number card. Jordan Brooks, that's a rookie card. We got, drop that. We got a guy from Kansas City. This other card. And we also have Juju Smith-Schuster. So this is a nice card right here. Marlon Mack is a really good running back for the Colts. Not bad. So I'll put him back there. It's a good hit. And then let's see, Chris Godwin, he's pretty good. Tyler Lockett, good. Peyton Manning, retired. Who's this guy? James Morgan. And Brett Favre? I'm surprised I'm seeing these guys. And Jerome Baker. Joe Mixon. I think this is rookie as well. No, never mind. Yeah, I don't have much knowledge of football cards, but I do like collecting them. I have a lot of the older ones from the 90s that apparently ain't worth nothing, so Boza, Eric Kendricks, Darius Young Ho Koo, I think that's a kicker. Carlos Hyde, TJ Watt, Tyler Boyd. Not so spectacular that good at this pack yet, other than the Marlon Mack threads. Lawrence Taylor, Adam Thielen, Sterling Shepard, Ryan Tannehill, Jamal Adams, Cole McDonald, TJ Watt, and Tyler Boyd. Again, duplicates. We got Jerry Rice, has been retired for a long time, Drew Brees, Nick Boza, Eric Kendricks, and we got a number card here. Let's see who this is. This is Mohamed Sana'a, number 371 of 500. That's a nice card. Looks like it's damaged up in this top there already though. Imagine that. Then we got a couple other ones here. Jason Peters. Drew Brees, Kenny Golladay, Anthony Miller, Mitch Trubisky, Terrell Lewis, Tom Brady with the Buccaneers, and Brett Favre. Now, when I was a kid, I was pretty sure they would be considered a rookie if they switched teams. I could be wrong though. Smith, Chris Godwin, Cooper Kupp, Trent Brown. Who's this guy? Zach Moss. Elite Series rookies. That's a nice one. I don't know if he's doing anything for the Bills. The Bills are actually doing good though. Got Justin Herbert rookie, that's another good one, and Juju Smith-Schuster. A couple good ones though. And we got Mark Ingram, TJ Watt, Reggie White, that's a really good one right there. I like that one. Dan Marino. That's nice that they throw a couple of these players from the 90s in here. Early 2000. Unfortunately, Reggie White's not around anymore. Adam Moore, Hunter Renfrow, Jason Witten, Leonard Fournette, TJ Watt, and Tyler Boyd. Johnson, Trent Williams. I don't think Trent Williams on that team anymore. Aaron Rodgers, Jack Lambert. That's an old one. You can tell by the uniforms. Alright, and that's all the packs for that. I'm going to open up the other one. Opening these, see if we find any good ones. And we got Phillip Rivers, George Kittle, Austin Eckler, Dalvin Cook, Edwards. I think this dude's it's a rookie card. Nice cards. Juju Smith. Eden, Le'Veon Bell, which is with Kansas City Chiefs now. Todd Gurley, a nice card, man. He hasn't the same since he got hurt. A lot of rookie cards here. Jacobs, Ryan Tannehill. It says flashback. Phil Simms, 1985. Henry Ruggs. I think he's doing good. Von Miller. I think it's the rookie. Jalen. Rookie card. I don't know if he's doing anything right now. I haven't really been. Well, they're on a bye week this week, so. Nice card, though. Josh Jacobs. Rookies though. Pat Ryan, Kenny Goddard, Deshaun Jackson, which I think he's done for another 6 weeks or something. Anthony Gibson. A lot of duplicates in this one. Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, really good guy. Terry Bridgewater. Who's that? Adrian Peterson. There we go. Got another good card right there. Russell Wilson, Deshaun Watson, Mark Andrews, really good tight end. T. Higgins. Khalil Mack, really good guy. Joe Reed. Devin Diggs. He's doing really good too. Alright, that's all we have today. Thank you for watching. Sorry I'm not the best at opening cards with the camera rolling. Usually I do it without a camera, so but figured I'd put this out there since it's hard to come across football cards right now and baseball cards, and what they're selling for today is just crazy. So thank you for watching, everyone. Feel free to leave any comments. And if anyone's interested in any of these cards that I just picked out, please leave a message, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.